Okay guys, well this week I'm staying at the Premierinn Hotel at London Heathrow Terminal 4, which as you can see here has some great views of the airport if you ask for them, and is in my opinion one of the very best value hotels in the Heathrow area. And I'll tell you how you can get a view like this for free a little bit later on in the video. But first of all, you may be wondering, how easy is it to get to by public transport? Well, I can tell you now, it is very easy. First of all, unlike many of the other hotels to the north of the airport, you don't need to catch a bus. So if you're coming from central London, all you need to do is take the underground via the Piccadilly line or the Elizabeth line to Terminal 4. Once you're there, you make your way up the escalators to the very far end of check-in on level 2 and go through the automatic doors above which is a sign saying hotels. Then it's a covered walkway of about 600 metres to the hotel, which is, a bit of a walk, but very much appreciated when it's pouring down with rain, I can tell you. And it's away from the busy roads too. And it's as easy as that. The walkway brings you out onto floor 1, where you will find the check-in desks and some very helpful staff. And after that you have a proper Costa coffee shop, just like the ones you find on most high streets in the UK and beyond. And then after that you have the bar and restaurant, which is one of Premierinn's time-branded eateries. I ate in the restaurant and although it was quite busy, I can tell you the service was efficient and the staff were excellent. The time restaurants are not my favourite, to be honest, but the food on this occasion was really good and reasonably priced. There was also a large selection of draft beers at the bar if you like that kind of thing. There are 7 floors in this hotel, and tonight we would be staying right on the top floor. So let's take the lift and we'll go and have a look at the room, shall we? Right guys, Premierinn, London Heathrow Terminal 4. Now, the last time I was here, I asked for a room overlooking Heathrow because, I like to watch the planes take off and landing basically. And they were very good, and they gave me a room quite high up. Now this time I asked them again for a similar room, and the manager, who was absolutely fantastic, said, well, I'll put you on the 7th floor in an accessible room. It's a Premier Plus room, I think they're called, which is the better standard of room. I've never stayed in one before, and it's an accessible room. So a massive thanks to Premierinn. Once again, they've come up with the goods and I really appreciate it. I paid £49 for this room, so I'm going to show you now exactly what you get for your money. Well, maybe a little bit more, but it was very much appreciated, I can tell you that, because I've had one of those days. So anyway, as I said, it's an accessible room, so if you come with me, I'm going to turn the light on. You have a sliding door into the bathroom, which is a walk-in shower, which is great, isn't it? So you've got all the facilities there, and very importantly, an emergency call button in the shower, and everything's at low the waist, I would say, really. And look at this. No, you don't get that in the normal Premierinn, do you? Yes, bonus. And of course, you've got the emergency pull cord there and hand railing all around. This is fantastic, actually. Low sink, which again is what you need, especially if you're using a wheelchair, and again low towel rail. So everything's been thought of, I think, because even the hair drying situation, because you've got a stool there, which you don't normally have, and again everything is at that low height. Brilliant. Let's have a look into the bedroom. And again, a big double bed, and you will notice that it's probably only about 50 centimetres off the ground, which again is especially important for people with mobility issues and wheelchair users, so they can get into the bed nice and easily. And I think also in terms of decor, it's a little bit nicer, isn't it? You get some artwork here with a little kind of notice sign next to it, just telling you what it is. and just a nice armchair, by the way, and a little booth to put your feet on. As I said, what a fantastic view of the airport. It's about 4:15 now, I think, in the afternoon. November, it's getting dark, isn't it? But everything I could ask for. I've just seen a couple of A380s taking off, and there, just taking off there is, I can't quite make that out actually. No, anyway, if you know what that is, please let me know in the comments below. But let's move on to the desk area. And yeah, again with the Premier Plus room, you get a few little extra things. Try not to fall off the chair. You've got a fridge for one, and inside the fridge you've got sparkling water and also still water, which I'm already sampling. Your telephone there, and most importantly, move that out of the way, green and black's chocolates. And now I normally only get those at Christmas time. So yeah, Christmas has come early, and I really appreciate that, especially this one. That's one of my favourites. And you get a coffee maker as well, and the usual kettle, so you can make tea and coffee. And I think this is brilliant. It's well thought out. It's well done. Big TV, as you would expect as well. And yeah, with people with mobility issues in mind, yeah, absolutely fantastic. And like I said, guys, if you stay at the premierinn Terminal 4 at Heathrow, it's worth asking if you can get a view of the airport. The manager and staff, as I said, they were absolutely fantastic last time. They've been fantastic again today. I'm going to leave them some positive comments via Twitter, I think, because yeah, you should do that, shouldn't you? Really, you've had good service. Why not leave some praise? Thank you very much for watching this little hotel room review, and I will catch you on another adventure soon. Cheers for now.